Hi everyone, this is a short video review for Windows 8. I'm going to be showing you how Windows 8 looks like and how you fix the start menu problem. So this is basically the login screen. Let's drag that up and as you can see with mine, instead of the Metro menu coming up, I've basically have the original menu and it's the, well, let me just close Paltalk. So it's the original menu, the classic one from Windows 7. I'm just going to show you how to do that. So if you go to Wikipedia, it says a list of start menu replacements for Windows 8, right? And there is a lot of replacements. You don't have to try all of them because I'll tell you the two best ones I've tried. So the ones I've tried so far, right, is one is called Start 8. Now this one is a free 30-day trial or $5 after the 30 days. It's pretty good, but you have a few problems, when you're trying to switch from Metro to the normal Windows. Now the best one I personally think is also a free one. It's called Start Menu 8. It's free. And this is from a website called www.iobit.com, or just Google Start Menu 8 iobit in Google, and it comes down to here. That's the original menu. Now if I left click on it, and I can actually change the settings. So here it gives you a lot of options. In the settings I can run out Windows Startup, skip Metro screen, I can deactivate the Metro bar, and I can also customize some features. Look, I can have this logo here as Windows. And now look at this, it's pretty cool. When the menu bars come
So
back,
when the
everything
menu bar comes back,
then you have everything else, I guess, is the same, is exactly like Windows 7. For example, you can go to documents and have all your documents. You can go to pictures, and as you can see, is the classic Windows 7 screen. Is very, very well, it's exactly the same. I'll show you, for example, even if you go to Start Control Panel, everything else is the same. So what was scaring me and scaring the hell out of people was this. This menu here. You come to this and you're like, what the flip? What has Microsoft done, honestly? And most people don't like this interface because they're used to the old interface. They spent a lot of time on, and I've gotten used to Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows 98. There's a whole generation of people, including myself, that have just been used to the menu bar. And just by removing the menu bar all of a sudden, it's been a massive shock to everyone. And Microsoft should take that into consideration when developing Windows Blue, the next version of Windows 8. Windows 8. So if you want to go back, you just basically press this button here, and there you go. So just to summarize, download a menu bar replacement, and except that Windows 8 is exactly the same as Windows 7. It's only the menu bar that was a real issue, but in terms of speed, Windows 8 is faster, and you can actually download more apps. I'll show you some apps I've installed for Windows 8. If I switch to Metrobar, so after I'll show you Jetpack Joyride I've downloaded. Now I've got this on an Android device, but you know this is Microsoft's idea of having all these apps you have on smartphones on PCs. So basically you can play this game. In terms of applications, there's not a lot of applications there at the moment. If I just show you, for example, the store, and so you have the store, and then you have categories such as finance, productivity, tools, security, business, education, government, and if you go to games, for example, I'll show you, and you go top 3 games, there is not a lot of actually good playable games. I mean, you have Jetpack Joyride, Cut the Rope, and that's about it, I guess. So not a lot of apps out there for Windows 8 at the moment. Microsoft is planning to pay people to use their app, and I have batteries running down to 10%, so I have to say that's all, people. Overall, if you get when the menu bar issue sorted, right, then trust me, I was really scared. I said I hated Windows 8. I don't want to use it. I had this laptop packed away. It was in a corner somewhere, and I was using Windows 7 because I just did not want to even try Windows 8. But I've tried it. I've experimented with it. It's really okay once you have the menu bar sorted, as I've shown you, right? It's literally the same as Windows 7. So once you have this sorted, then you can go to anywhere else, control devices, games, document, music, pictures, everything else is literally the same. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.